Hey guys, Wade here with Diesel Freak. Wanted to show you a little something that we're doing. You can see we unhooked this boot here off the factory pipe that comes across from the turbo. Of course, it's unhooked on the other side, so it's a little bouncy, but spun it onto our makeshift pipe with shop air hooked to it. Been doing this a little bit. You're gonna see in here some soapy water laying there just from previous. I wiped it off a little bit so it's clean, but let's show you this. I'm gonna start putting some air to it. I don't know if you hear that with about 2, maybe 3 pounds of air. We'll get a visual spraying some water. It's only 3 pounds of air. We're gonna take it up to about 10 pounds. This is with we're missing some big bubbles there. About 10 pounds of air. That's without a boost increaser valve. That's without a big horsepower tune. Just simply, even though the engine's not taking in any air right now, we can't even hold boost pressure. That is an obvious boost leak. I don't care what you do. That is power loss. It's horrible. Let's see what we got at 15 pounds. Now it's even coming out between, got my pen right here, this top plate and the center plate. Look at that. Nothing's flat, nothing's true and round, nothing good. So we've got to fix. Watch the next video. We'll show you how to cure it.